What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to Trusted Investors YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you all wholesalers or anyone that's trying to get into flipping. Let's get into it. Right before I got into real estate and I was learning and watching YouTube videos and stuff, a couple of the biggest things was like how to put someone under contract, like how to open escrow, how to analyze a deal, how do I come up with the money, right? Like I was so scared. I was really scared to like sending an offer with, and then the other person signing, and then me like not knowing what the hell I wasn't gonna do. So it was very scary. But guys, it's simple. It's not as hard as it sounds. Let's say that you're already doing some deals. You've already got some wholesale deals and stuff. I want you to stack away that cash. And while you're still wholesaling, I want you to reach out to contractors. I want you to reach out to agents and see what they use, what other investors have been using, so that you can start getting contractors that are trustworthy and are gonna get the job done. Once you have that deal that you came across with and you don't want to wholesale, you're ready to pull the trigger, this is what you're gonna do. Okay? You're gonna already be approved, all right, with a hard money loan or a private money loan, so that you can close escrow good in a timely manner, and then you now are the owner. You're not dispositioning it to somebody else. Okay? After you close, you're gonna have your contractors. You're gonna have everyone giving you bids, everyone giving you estimates. Make sure that you have a scope of work and a timeline that you want to work with. Okay, don't get caught up in like it could get very messy. So make sure that you're having a trustworthy contractor, a scope of work, the term in writing, and a timeline. Okay, a deadline. All right. After that, just make sure that you're visiting your property weekly, if not twice a week. Make sure everything's under budget. Make sure everything's running on time, and then after that, you're gonna be able to breathe. You're gonna be able to breathe. Okay, and instead of making $10,000 on an assignment fee, you'll make 60, 70, 80, 90 grand on one flip. Continue to follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and share it with us, share it with somebody, and with us too, so that you can continue to learn. Talk to you later.